welcome back to the channel. So I think the last time where I posted a video would have to be way back in 2017 or 2018. So it has been a serious minute. But for today's video, I am filming on the Canon 200D with the Sigma 18-35 f1.8 lens. So please do be sure to let me know how that looks down in the comment section below. But for today's video, I will be reviewing the Bose Quietcomfort 35 Mark IIs, and I'll sort of be comparing them to my old headphones, which was the JBL Live 650 TNC. Hope I got the name right. But anyways, let's get started on this unboxing. Put that rubbish away. So first impressions on opening the box. Packaging is very premium. It's representative of a premium product. So when you first open the box, you're greeted with a Bose card. Gives you instructions on how to set up the headset. Got like a leather style finish. So that is a 3.5 to 2.5 millimeter headphone jack. It's a bit hard to replace, so don't lose these. Also, what's included is the charger. Seen on other reviews how they mentioned how the cable is pretty short. I'd say I would be happy with this, despite it being short and a micro USB. The main reason why I went for the Bose Quietcomforts over the Sony WH-1000 MX3 or something is because it is more comfortable, personally to me. Although I do recommend you to try on your headset before purchasing, as the main competitor Sony might be more comfortable for you. So let's get right ahead and set up and connect these headphones. It feels very premium with the clicks compared to the old JBL. The main reason why I am upgrading from these would have to be because when I do put them on, the areas where it's resting in between my ears is that it does squeeze in quite harshly, as well as the top not being very padded. It does feel uncomfortable even after an hour of use. So I will be giving these to a family member of mine, so it served its purpose pretty well. But the Bose should be a worthy upgrade and should last me a long time. I can't remember if I heard from other reviews where they said that the soft padded area is replaceable, but if it is, that's a huge bonus because these do wear out eventually. So let's set up these headphones. Okay, so first thing, turning it on, it has told me to set up the Bose app, and I'll do that. So it does ask you to create a Bose ID. Now these headsets are rated for up to 20 hours with the wireless and noise cancelling on, and up to 40 hours with the wires plugged into your listening device. And going over the physical specifications, on the top here you can see that over here is padded with Alcantara, and the pads here itself are made of like lamb skin, so it's super soft. As well as there's insignias of the right and left for the indication of which ear, and you do have the pause button, pause and play, skip and the skips, as well as the volume up and volume down, as well as the Google Assistant button. Over here you do have the on and off button switch, as well as the Bluetooth pairing. On the bottom here you do have a micro USB, as well as a 2.5 headphone jack. And the main reason why I chose these over the Sony XM3s is because that even though the Sonys do have superior sound quality, the Bose is just much more comfortable for me, so I'm able to use it over a longer period of time than compared to the Sonys, even though it does have a higher rated battery life, with the Bose being 20 hours wireless and to 40 hours with wires in. So given that the comfort is superior to me with these headsets, I did go for these over the Sony XM3s, despite all the positive reviews that it's got. Okay, so that's been it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my overview of the Bose Quietcomfort 35 Mark IIs, and I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully I get better at my presentation skills in YouTube, and I can create more content that you guys like.